Hello everyone, I am Rishabh. I've been a Gurukul student since start. Like foundation, I was in Gurukul, intergroup 1, intergroup 2. I spent almost 1.5 years in Gurukul, and I'm really glad to tell you that Gurukul gave me everything. I also secured in the recent November 23 attempt an All India rank 39. Yes, that is possible because a lot of people say कि फेस टू फेस वाले बच्चे नहीं कर सकते, फेस टू फेस में टाइम नहीं मिलता, दिस एंड दैट, बट I am here to tell you that it's not true. I've been in face to face 1.5 year. I've been in Pune for 1.5 year, and I want to tell few things about Gurukul because I am from the first batch of Gurukul. जब Gurukul start हुआ था, it was a new project, it was a new idea. मैं तब से Gurukul में हूँ. Like I am here from inception, and Gurukul gave me a lot. From a normal person to a professional, and from a normal human being who can make a lot of friends to a person who can make a lot of network. They say na ki network is your net worth. Yeah, I made it in Gurukul because I have known people from all across India. In foundation, I had a lot of roommates, one from Ratlam, Mumbai and Gujarat. It's a diversified way. I myself am from Chennai, the south of India. So yeah, a lot of connections from all around the world. I came back in Inter. I met people from across the country, from Orissa to Gujarat, from Kashmir to Chennai, everywhere. Bangalore, Chandigarh, Gurugram, from every place I met someone new. And Gurukul taught me something that there's something new in every different person. You can learn a lot from people, from teachers. The decision that I made to come back in Gurukul in Inter was dependent on a lot of things, but one important thing was that Gurukul gave me something which others couldn't give. Teaching is everywhere, but Gurukul gave me total personality development. I'm sitting here right, talking with everyone. That's because of Gurukul, because I was not able to do this. If you could just rewind back and search in YouTube, Swapnil Patni Talk Show. In the episode 1, I was there. I asked a question about the same thing कि sir, how to get stage correct, कैसे बात करूँ मैं, public talking कैसे करूँ. And you would see that sir gave me some answers, and if you would just analyze me today, I am doing everything that happened. I'll just give a brief about everything that happened from every teacher that I learned something. I was there with Pooja ma'am since start. Pooja ma'am taught me kindness, how to talk with people, how to make them comfortable around you. Anand sir taught me that world is endless. There are various things that you don't know of. You can just keep learning things from people. और हर्षद sir से तो everyone knows. वो हमको सिखाते कि CA और party life, how to balance it. He is at the same time the most hardworking person, and at the same time he'll party like hell, like he's living the life. और स्वप्निल सर तो अपन सब सीखते ही है. That guy works like hell from night to morning. Day and night doesn't mean anything. उनके लिए all it matters is work and to give results. Ankita ma'am, she was like a sister to me, someone who understood me. She always helped me personally. Like whenever I used to go to her with some problems, I got the answers. I got the solution, and she was always there to help me out, and she never said no. She made promises and she stood by it. Or Gurukul. Gurukul is a place which is like an emotion to me because I've been in that building for 1.5 years, and I won't call it a building now, but rather I'll call it a home because I met a lot of people, a lot of memories, day and night. Foundation में मस्ती किया, फिर इंटर में पढ़ाई किया. इंटर में I'll tell one big secret of mine which actually let me score in inter was that every day I used to see people कि they are staying up late at night, working hard, they are doing something. Like even if group 2 की studies चल रही है, they are taking 1 hour daily studying something from group 2. They are keeping in touch. And I was like, if they can do it, I can do it too. And it's not just me, a lot of people from Gurukul passed with flying colors. First attempt CA सबको ही बनना है. So I got that. And I also, there's one more reason why I'm here, because this wasn't asked of me to do. But I wanted to do it because I came in here voluntarily because of a specific particular reason. Because मैं जब गुरुकुल में था ना, there used to be a lot of rumors कि गुरुकुल में traveling time ज़्यादा है, गुरुकुल में people are not friendly, or the staff is bad, the staff is rude, or you don't have these many facilities which they say और सब कुछ. But I'll be honest, वो time पे मेरे को बहुत ख़राब लगता था जब बोलते थे, because I've been there in foundation, I've been there in inter, और I did not agree with even one thing that they said. For me Gurukul was everything. So I was like, लोग बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं, but I want to do first, prove myself, फिर मैं आके कुछ बोलूँ ताकि लोग मेरे बात माने. So I did everything that I could. I got a rank and now I'm sitting here. And I've been in Gurukul, and that's for like, I've been there. Everyone knows me that I'm a Gurukul student. And yeah, Gurukul, there's few myths that I want to bust, that near Prestige Point there's no good PG or no good hostels. Right now I'm in a PG after my inter because of my ITOC course, and I am experiencing it ki, nahi, that was a heaven for me. Because even though it's a little bit far, it gives you that comfort to study. It gives you the place where you can be open, where you can be comfortable, and where you can feel secure, and all you can do is concentrate on your studies. And they say, no, our rector, Mr. Rajesh, so he was always there with me. He supported me day and night. Whenever I wanted to be. I'm an early morning person. I used to wake up at 4 in the morning. But at that time, the classes were not open, or the rooms were like, lights were off because everyone was sleeping. But when I requested sir, he made sure that every day the library was open for me at 4 in the morning. And seeing me, a lot of people came with me too. It was not like just me, but a lot of people came too. He supported me. And there's a canteen in Gurukul. You're hungry, you're studying late at night, go have some food. That's not there outside. Outside you go, after a specific point of time, everything's closed. So Gurukul gave me that. And the staff, yeah, the receptionist ma'am and everyone, Aryan sir and all the people who were there, they supported me always. Like anytime I needed something, I would go request to them, they'll help me out. They won't say ki, Rishabh beta late ho gaya, Rishabh beta I can't do it. No, they'll be like, we'll do it, we'll manage it somehow. And if you guys want to know actually that am I saying true, you can go and search in SPC's channel. The Youth Utsav that they conducted, I was the one who handled the whole technical team. After that, 3 events, I was the lead anchor, I handled the whole thing, and it's all there on YouTube. You'll see me there too, you'll see me in Gurukul. And that will be a proof ki, yeah, I studied, I learned a lot of things. I'm a dancer as well. But before I used to dance only in competitions, but here I danced in a lot of places, in a lot of events. I used to prepare for dancing before, but coming here, seeing that people appreciate your efforts, I learned spontaneous dancing. Just teacher calls me on stage, I go and dance because I know people won't judge me and they'll appreciate my efforts. So you get a stage here too to show off your other skills, because CA is life. I'll say CA is life, but you should give time to other things too, because that is what keeps your mind calm and healthy and peaceful. So थोड़ी चीज़ें और बता देता हूँ कि गुरुकुल जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि a place where you go, you study and you learn things, that is sure there, but you meet a lot of people, you make network, because CA industry में network is your net worth. The more people you know, the more easier your work gets. And if you start building your roots from now, future में अपना काम, अपन कोई भी state में हो, अपना काम हो जाएगा. मुझे अब यहाँ पर बैठे बैठे, if I have some work in Delhi, I'll just give a call to my friend. She'll be like, yeah dude, I'll do it, not a problem. So these things came from here. We studied, we pushed each other so hard. If I was slacking, my friends used to be like, Rishabh kar, ho jayega. If they were slacking, I used to be there. I used to be like, ho jayega apne se. And today I am proudly saying that almost majority of my friends cleared. All the people who were there in group with me, everyone cleared. We used to sit together every day. After class, we used to sit together and do our homeworks. मैं सुबह उठता था, क्लास में एक साथ बैठते थे, पढ़ते थे, लंच एक साथ खाते थे, हम लोग डिनर एक साथ खाते थे. From the table, sitting dinner together to a future where we are hoping that we'll sit in a meeting table and we'll be the top leaders of the world. That is our dream that we wanted to achieve, and that is in progress, and Gurukul has been the source through which it initiated. So these are few things that I wanted to tell, and You can see me and I'll say it with utmost faith that trust your teachers, trust your instincts, and if there are few problems, there are solutions to it too. और अगर उनको 90% मिल रहा है, that's a God's blessing, because most of the people that I've seen have not even got 90% of what we get. So it's a big thing. So appreciate it, and this is me, Rishabh, signing off. Thank you.